اقوام متحدہ میں خطاب کے دوران دنیا پر زور دیا کہ اسلاموفوبیا کے خاتمے کے لیے ٹھوس اقدامات اٹھانا ہوں گے۔ وزیر خارجہ نے اقوام متحدہ کے سیکریٹری جنرل سے مطالبہ کیا کہ OIC کے اشتراک سے اسلاموفوبیا کے خلاف ایکشن پلان ترتیب دیا جائے۔
Islam is a religion of peace, tolerance and pluralism. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, taught Muslims to treat everyone with dignity and respect, regardless of race, culture, gender, or religion. Yet unfounded phobia of Islam and its adherents is a sad reality of our times. Since the tragedy of 9/11, animosity and institutional suspicion of Muslims and Islam across the world have only escalated to epidemic proportions. A narrative has been developed and peddled which associates Muslim communities and their religion with violence and danger. Therefore, our resolve to combat Islamophobia must translate into concrete and practical action. To that end, we urge the UN Secretary General to formulate an action plan in coordination with the Organization of Islamic Countries to halt